Our current sampling on record. So let's go play. This really blows me, guys. Oh, yes. Wait, too good. Think over here. Wait. Oh my god, no way. I know this guy is lying. I know this guy. He's not seeing the computer guy. It's gonna be hard to beat him. Mm. Mhm. So what shoe? Wait, box from skin case. Okay, this guy. Mm. Mm. This gonna be a hard win. I'll try. I got a flare gun and the Molotov. So that's two flares and oh, that's two Molotovs. So let's go. Wait, where's this guy, bro? Okay, there. Let me show a, a Molotov at him. Molotov. And shoot him. How does this guy have a assault burst rifle? When I'm level 64, I don't even have burst rifle. Anyways, where's this guy at? Boom. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, so let's just not that. Let's go back. Go back in here. Go, go, go. Yes, sir. Burst rifle, no. Why do I keep losing? I shoot him a lot. Let's go. Let's go. Why am I laggy, guys? Maybe recording. Oh, let's go again. Haha. You're right there, boy. There. Bro. Okay, that's gonna be it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy and like and subscribe.